What is up, everyone? My name is Captain Giorgio, and today we'll be talking about yet another visual element. Today we'll be talking about value. Alright, so let's get started. So for those who randomly found this video on the internet, what I'm currently doing is talking about the visual elements and how they can be implemented into the medium of photography. It is easier to capture value in your photograph because that's something that we already see every day in our lives, right? The intensity of colors and the intensity of highlights, midtones, and shadows, it's what helps us see what we see. So when we capture that in our photographs, value tends to come with our image already. Essentially, value is considered to be the intensity of an image, right? You have the lightness and the darkness across your photographs, but there's also the in-betweens, right, which are your grays and your mid-grays. All that whole spectrum is considered the value. The value of a photograph shows the intensity of a specific color or a specific shade. But because photography is mainly focused on capturing light, value is best represented in any case, actually, when you take a picture, because value guides us in understanding the highlights, the midtones, and the shadows of an image. By using shade and color intensity, you're able to show what's close and what's far. The use of value as well helps us understand how is it that light reflects across certain surfaces. So collectively, when you bring them together, you get that entire spectrum of value. So if you like what you've been seeing so far, make sure to hit that like button. I would truly appreciate it, as I'm a small YouTuber and I would like to eventually get the message of art across a lot of people. Alright, I have an example here of what is it that I'm trying to say. So let's take a look at this image that is very dynamic and very full of color, right? But to show you value in its, I guess, in its like primary state, or like to just make it obvious for you, I'm going to desaturate this image. And what you're going to see here is a spectrum of grays, whites, and blacks being put together, if you think about it, being put together to create this image. And when it comes to adding color, you're going to add different kinds of shades of colors and different kinds of intensities of a color to put an emphasis on that value. Value, in my opinion, is very simple to explain. But of course, this is a photography channel, so I'd rather show you how value affects images. So why don't we get to that? So what I have here is a set of images that I found online that I believe have a good example of value in their photographs. Let me know what you think, and of course, as usual, if you like what you see, make sure to consider them on their socials. Do you think these examples showed good examples of value? Please let me know down in the comments and let me know which one was your favorite. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Remember, my goal is to show you the complexions of art and how those complexions can affect us emotionally. So I hope this video helped you out. So yeah, that's it for now. Again, I hope if you like this video, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Please remember to like this video as well. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Alright? So please stay safe, stay well, and remember to continue being creative. Alright? I'll see you in the next one. Peace.